Hello Aquarius, this will be your weekly love reading from 16th August to 22nd of August. Sun, Moon, Rising and Venus. If you have in your birth chart in Aquarius, then this is the reading for you. Please keep in mind that energy can go vice versa or interchangeable. So take it however it resonates with you. If you like this reading, please like, share and subscribe my channel King of Cups Tarot. And if you want to book a personal reading with me, you can email me. Email ID is given in the description box. Let's start your reading then. Judgment, Two of Swords, Four of Swords, Nine of Cups, Five of Wands. Bottom of the deck is the Empress. So first of all, I will tell you about the sign present here. Taurus, Libra, Scorpio and Gemini, Libra, Aquarius with this Two of Sword and Four of Sword. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius and Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Okay, so specifically I already told you that Scorpio and Taurus, Libra is also present here, and in earth sign only Taurus is present, but Aquarius, Virgo and Capricorn is not present. Okay, so here we have the bottom of the deck is the Empress. Okay, so I can see that they see you as a very beautiful person. Okay, they see you as a person who they projected that they will be keeping you as their wife. Okay, wife or husband. Okay, so they are always thinking about you, that they think a long term commitment about you. They see growth in you. Okay, they see that with you they see like they will be abundant. Okay, so they see you very beautiful person. Okay, King of Sword is here. That's your energy because it's an Aquarius card typically. Okay, so you are being logical. Actually, you are being in your own sign. Actually, you are being in your character basically. Okay, so King of Sword is a character like it deals with the logic. Okay, it don't deal with them. It don't deal with the emotions actually, and it just see everything as a logical perspective. Okay, so you are just giving them a cold look, but you are deep down you know that this person is the person you want in your life. Okay, so this is the thing, but right now something is going on in your life, maybe from your past, so you are just healing something about it and you are balancing yourself out, balancing your energies. Okay, so these are the things which is happening right now for you because you have been through some endings. Okay, Ten of Sword is here. That means you have been through endings, and recently something broke up, or maybe for some of you somebody who was very closer to you have passed away, and that's why this Ten of Swords energy is there. So there is pain and you are healing right now. Okay, so first card is Judgment. So this person is a past person or a future person, may not be, anything can be possible. Okay, so anyway this person, however if it is a new person also, this person has some past with you before. Okay, maybe in previous lifetime or maybe in this lifetime you know them before, you knew them before actually. So this person had feelings for you that time also, and now they want to take an action. Okay, so earlier it was went to cold, but now they want to resurrect this relationship again. They want to resurrect those emotions which have been gone from long back, but they want to start afresh. Okay, but you know that this person is interested now. Okay, and your situation is two of swords, that you don't see them coming. Okay, you don't see them coming. You are like very blocked from your heart chakra, and you are not able to decide what you want in your life and what you want to do in your love life, basically. Okay, I'm talking about love life only. So right now you are not able to decide whether to give this person a chance for a future or not, or giving somebody else. Okay, so you are actually sensing something toxic in them, but still you are thinking like maybe we can overcome those things, and we should give a chance to this person. Four of sword is here. So right now you don't want to contact anybody else. Okay, you don't want to, even not with this person, not with other people. You are just closed off because of yourself only. Okay, you want a healing, alone time, and you want to be in a no contact situation with everybody, and I'm seeing that you're healing yourself. Okay, you are healing yourself because of that pain which I have shown you already from the bottom of the deck. So you are just healing right now because there is so much of pain, and very much you are depressed because of that. So right now you need some your me time. So that's why you are going through this four of swords energy in this week. So now we have nine of cups. So after being with this four of swords energy, means after being with this tough situation, okay, that healing situation, you will be feeling very light, and very light hearted, very rejuvenating. Okay, and I'm seeing that you will be enjoying your life for some time. Okay, and I think this person, if they have offered you already their relationship with you, then it will be a wish fulfillment towards you, because you have been through already so many up and down in your life. Now this person comes, and this is like a wish come true for you. Okay, so you will be in this energy. But you have seen that if you will be late, so this person, whoever is coming towards you, will go with other people. Okay, if you lose this chance. Okay, so I can see that five of wand is here. That means there is a lot of competition for this person. Okay, if this person is attracted towards you, that's a nice that could be a nice choice for you. And if you don't take this choice, then it will lead to competitions. Okay, so many people are already attracted toward this person. Maybe this person is very successful person, that's why everybody is looking at him or her. So this is the things. Okay, so let me pull out one outcome card for you. High priestess and three of wands. So three of wand is here. That means you are waiting for the right time to start this relationship. Okay, so you want to give a commitment to this person, but you are waiting for the right time and right place to let him know, or him or her, whatever, male or female, doesn't matter. So you just want to tell them at the right time and the right place. Okay, that you are also interested. So high priestess is here. That means right now in this week, I can see that you are more towards the secret and mystery. Okay, not like revealing anything about it. Okay, so this person see you as a mystery person, and very intuitive and very beautiful person. Okay, very knowledgeable person. So they see you as a very intuitive person as well. Okay, so these are the readings for these are the card energies for you this week. Let me pull out your Queen of Moon Oracle. Beauty and nourishment. So right now, universe is telling you that you have been through so many up and downs, and that's why you are not taking care of your own body. Okay, so nourishment, right kind of nourishment is needed for your body. So you have to focus on your body, and you have to be eating very healthy food, and you should be doing some spiritual work as well. So universe is saying that do it. Okay, beauty is here. That means I can see that this person see you as a very beautiful person, that I have already told you with this Empress card. These two cards are same thing are talking about. Okay, so universe is saying that you are beautiful. Okay, if you have any doubt, universe is saying don't let it be. Okay, just be like yourself. Okay, and you are beautiful, and everybody, that's why everybody is attracted towards you. Okay, so universe is saying just be like you only, not like others. Okay, so this is the energy for this week, and if you like this, please like, share and subscribe my channel King of Cups Tarot. And if you want to book a personal reading with me, my email ID is given in the description box. Thank you for watching.